Vacuuming and wiping tiles after thinset and before grouting is essential to ensure strong grout adhesion and a clean, finished appearance. After thinset has set enough to hold tiles, but before grout is applied, remove all loose thinset crumbs, dust, and spacer residue with a vacuum using a soft brush attachment so you do not dislodge tiles. Follow by wiping the tile surface and joint faces with a barely damp sponge or microfiber cloth. Avoid overwetting because excess water can weaken newly set thinset and dilute grout. Run your fingertip or a small blunt tool along joints to feel for any compacted debris or hollows that might hide under grout and compromise bonding. If you find material, pry it out gently and vacuum again. For stubborn dust, use a clean, lint-free towel dampened with clear water and change the towel frequently so you are not smearing fine particles back into joints. Allow the joints to dry until they are just slightly tacky but not wet. Grout bonds best to surfaces that are clean and stable rather than saturated. Finally, check for any thinset ridges that extend above the tile surface and remove them with a scraper or a scraper held at a low angle so the grout can sit flush and the final joint profile will be consistent. Common mistakes include assuming a quick sweep is enough, which leaves fine dust that prevents grout from adhering properly. Solve this by vacuuming with a crevice tool and then wiping with a damp microfiber cloth so you remove both coarse and fine particles. Another issue is overwetting joints during cleaning, which can soften thinset or alter cure time and lead to weak spots. Prevent this by using minimal water, wringing sponges well, and allowing partial drying before grouting. A third problem is leaving thinset nibs or high spots that create voids or uneven grout lines. Address this by inspecting joints at eye level, scraping any ridges flush, and rechecking for debris before the final vacuum and wipe. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like kitchen floor grouting and surface preparation so we can find each other and discuss techniques. Our site hosts a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and post local project leads to help both homeowners and contractors get the job done.